Hey, what's up everybody? I'm back with day number 29 of my 100 Days of Code Challenge, and today I learned all about functions in JavaScript. First, I learned how to create and call a function, and then I learned how to return a value from a function. Then I learned how to add parameters to my functions, how to pass arguments, and how to add default parameters. Then I learned the difference between a function declaration and a function expression, as well as how to use arrow function syntax for my arrow expressions. And to tie together everything in this module, I had a coding challenge. It's basically a variation of the random number generator that I made yesterday, where there's two inputs, one for a low number and one for a high number, and the program displays a random number somewhere in between the low and high number. The difference today is that this program utilizes a function as well as function parameters to define the low and high numbers. Alright, well that's it for today. If you like this, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll catch you again tomorrow. Have a great day.